Where you from? Hi there and welcome to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time, welcome. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe and like and comment on all my videos for support. Thank you. Today I'm going to be reviewing something I'm really excited about. It's the Jeffree Star Blue Blood Lip Kit. Quick little story behind this. I told my boyfriend if I buy myself the lip kit, if he could get me the eyeshadow palette, and he did. That's gonna be another video. So to start off, the packaging of it is just beyond gorgeous. You can already tell it's all gonna be blue, so I feel like he goes with his vibe every single time. This is called the Mini Velour Liquid Lipstick. So the colors it includes is Drug Lord, Ice Tray, Jawbreaker, Blue Velvet, Abused, Diamond, Titanic, and Medusa. So I'm gonna open it right now so you guys can see. I think they're really cool and fun, so let's go ahead and check them out. So I'm gonna start off with Drug Lord. Not for me, people.
Ay, ¿qué es eso? Pero ¿y esa mierda? Ay, pero qué feo.
This color is Ice Tray. Now I'm going in with Jawbreaker. Next one I'm going in with is Blue Velvet. This next one is called Titanic. I think this one is called Titanic because it makes you just want to be like... Last but certainly not least, Medusa. And that's it for all the colors in the Mini Velour Lipstick Kits from Jeffree Star. I think they're all pretty gorgeous. It's definitely quality, so I would definitely buy this. It's only $52 at Morphe, and I mean they're small, but it just brings Hey there. I hope you guys enjoy my little lip swatch video. I am definitely gonna do some more of this. I also have a very special announcement. I am gonna be collabing with someone that does Disney ears. And if you guys don't know, I'm Disney obsessed. If you have a wild guess, you know that May is special for a certain movie. So hope you guys enjoyed my video and stay tuned for more. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye!